A very good morning to all of you. Once again, happy Christmas to everyone. I hope you all are busy with your preparation for online exams. Are you doing well? Very good. Shall we start our revision class for English? Okay. Children, already we explained in our last class. Next month means January, 5th January, we are having online exams, that is formative assessment 2. In that, which day we are having exam, children? We are having 1st January 2021 we are having, no children. In that, formative 2 exam, online exams we are conducting. A part of that, we are having as usual multiple choice questions, children. Last time how you wrote, like that type of only we are having for the examinations. In that, what are the topics we are, how many lessons we are having? Lesson number 3 and lesson number 4. What is the lesson number 3, children? I promise. What is the name that? Lesson number 3, I promise, and lesson number 4, helping and sharing. Very good. In that lesson, I promise is there, no children? From the textbook part and activity book part, you should practice properly. Lesson number 4, helping and sharing, textbook part and activity book part. In that part of lesson, each and everything, we should practice properly. Understood, children? Very good. Shall we start our revision class for 3 and 4, children? Very good. What is the lesson number 3? Yes, I promise. What is that important in this, children? Flowers and garden. That is the importance of the lesson. A part of that, who is that girl, children? One fairy girl is there. One pretty girl is there. What is her name? Lisa. Lisa loves flowers. What she loves, children? Lisa loves flowers. What she loves? Lisa loves flowers. And one day, what she done, children? Every day she used to go to the park near her house. There, one signboard in the park is there, children. One signboard is there. See, observe properly. In that park, in the garden, what is there, children? One signboard. In that signboard, what is there? Do not pluck flowers. Observe properly. Do not pluck flowers. What is there on the signboard? Do not pluck the flowers. But our girls, like Lisa also, loves flowers, no children. So, she loves to pluck flowers. What she loves, children? She loves the flowers. That's why every day, she used to go to the park and she loves to flowers. That's why she plucked the flowers. What she done, children? She plucked the flowers. So, what is there on the signboard? Do not pluck flowers. But she doesn't observe properly. What she done? She plucked the flowers. And what she done, children? She put them in a vase in her house. So every day she used to doing like that only. One day one fairy observed these all. So she touched the flowers, trees, everything. So what happened, children? All the garden, all the trees, plants, flowers, each and everything turned like a brown color. Understood, children? So, what she done, children? She changed. All the flowers, trees, each and everything turned into a brown color. Lisa is very sad and little afraid. So, what she done, children? She used to crying. She started crying and looks to the fairy. Will you please turn as usual color? Okay, children, once again, I'm repeating the same thing, children. Then what happened, children? Fairy requested to Lisa, if you are not pluck the flowers, again I will change these all flowers, trees, plants, everything into the normal color. So what she done, children? What she did? I promise. Will you promise never to pluck flowers? Who asked? Fairy. Fairy asked to the Lisa, will you promise never to pluck flowers again? Yes, I promise. I promise. Who promised, children? Lisa promised. Who said these words? I promise. I promise. Lisa said, I promise. I will never pluck flowers again. Who promised, children? Lisa. Okay, very good. Like that, she promised to the fairy, and next day, Lisa gets up. It's morning, let's go to the park. Who said these words? Mother. Understood, children? Then, what happened? She used to sing these words in her dream. Next day, that day onwards, she will never pluck the flowers. She watered the plants. Still loves flowers. Understood, children? That is the moral of the story. We should not pluck flowers unnecessarily. Understood? That is the moral of this story. So, what is there on the signboard? What is there on the signboard, children? Do not pluck flowers. Understood? Do not. What is there on the signboard? Yes. Do not pluck flowers. So, to whom promise, children? I promise. Who said these words? Yes, Lisa. Understood, Nana? She loves to pluck the flowers. Why? Because Lisa loves flowers. That's why she usually pluck the flowers. Shall we start the bit part, children? Why are you crying, little girl? Who said these words? Who said these words? Right, fairy, Lisa or mother? Who said these words, children? Why are you crying, little girl? Fairy. I don't like this brown garden. Who said these words? Lisa. I promise. Who said these words? Lisa. Who said these words? Lisa. Very good. Like that we have to practice properly from this bit part, children. Coming to the answers, what was written on the signboard, children? Yes, do not pluck the flowers. Do not pluck flowers. Do not pluck flowers. What is there on the signboard, children? Yes, do not pluck flowers. Like that you should practice properly. Again, add CK to complete the words to read them aloud. Again, you have to practice BACK. Each and every word you have to add CK in the blanks. Okay, Nana? Coming to the G Roman, as pretty as. For we are explaining pretty, which one, children? Flower. As slow as. For walking, which one is the slow? As slow as snail. As cold as ice. As always cold ice. Cold ice. What is there, children? As cold as ice. As black as coal. Understood, Nana? As cold as ice. Very good. Coming to the bit part, children. Grammar part. Lisa. Am, is, or. Already we explained in our grammar part, children. Am, is, or. Helping verbs. These all are your I and am. I am. I is useful for singular. Are is useful for plural. Plural means more than one. If you are having more than one, we should use are. Understood, Nana? And next one, was and were. Was is useful for only one. Were is useful for more than one. Understood? Was is useful for only one. Were is useful for more than one. Yes. Okay, children. See, who went to the park? Lisa. Where is she? She is in the park. Understood? Like that you should practice properly from the textbook part. Coming to that activity book part, children. Here, whose house is this? President. See, he observe properly. Read the passage. This is very, very important for you, children. The President of India. Who is there? Who? The President of India lives in a huge house called the Rashtrapati Bhavan. What is that, children? Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. Who lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan? President. Understood, children? Observe properly. The President of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Where she lived, children? She lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Who lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan? President. Who lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan? President. The President of India lives in which Bhavan? Dash Bhavan? Rashtrapati Bhavan. Understood, children? There, what are there? So many flowers are there. Marigold. There are three main green gardens are there, children. What are there? One for vegetables, fruits. Understood, Anna? These all are very important for your exam. See, children, observe the Mughal gardens have the best and largest marigold or lilies. Yes, marigold. The dash of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. The dash of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Yes, Prime Minister or President? Yes. The President of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Where she lives? Who lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan? President. The dash of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan? President. Very good. Coming to these children, circle and write it to the blank. You have to practice properly. As brave as lion. As busy as bee. As wise as owl. Like that you should practice properly, children. As light as feather. As red as cherry. Like that you should practice properly, children. Always this type of questions also you have to practice. Understood, Nana? Always one thing you have to observe, children. Which one is related to the question you should observe from these options. These options we will give now, children. 4 options we are giving to you. The birds dash flying are flying. This only one is there means is. More than one means are. I is there means am. Like that you should practice properly. Understood, children? Very good. Sirena, coming to the grammar mode part, feminine gender. This is the last exams we were given from the last part. Now we are giving chapter number 3 half part and chapter number 4. Chapter number 4 verbs also we are having now, children. In the part of that, see, write the feminine gender of these nouns. Feminine gender means we explained now, children. Feminine gender, at the same time, for observation for the remaining to you, opposite words also we can use, children. Opposite gender. Understood? For boy, opposite word girl. Boy, girl. Girl, boy. Prince, princess. Uncle, aunt. Uncle, aunt. Opposite word also we can call for these. Uncle, aunt. Opposite gender only we should explain, children. Line, lioness. Father, mother. Nephew, niece. Husband, wife. Housemaid. Like that you should practice properly. Children, boy opposite word girl. Uncle opposite word aunt. Line, lioness. Father, mother. Husband and wife. Like that you should practice properly from lesson number 3. Now we are giving revision part for lesson number 4. What is the name of the lesson, children? Helping and sharing. What is the name of the lesson? Helping and sharing. In that part, in the lesson, what is that important thing, children? Yes, helping and sharing. Always we should follow that rule. So, one day what happened, children? This one boy is there. What's her name? What's his name? Appu. Appu wants to eat which halwa, children? Carrot halwa. Appu loves what he loves, children? Yes, carrot halwa. Appu loves carrot halwa. So, he wants to eat carrot halwa. What he done, children? He gets some carrot seeds. And what he done? He planted the seeds. So, he gets some carrot seeds. If I grow carrots, I know. Who will make carrot halwa? Grandma, yes. Grandma will make carrot halwa for me. I think I will plant these seeds. So what he done, children? Appu plants the seeds. Every day he used to water them, and what happened, children? The seeds grow into a baby carrot. One day what happened, children? The baby carrot grows like a huge carrot. Which type of carrot? Huge carrot. Appu tries to pull the carrot out. He cannot pull. So he requested to his friends. Who are there, children? These many are there, no, children? So last and final, what happened, children? Appu requested to whom he requested, children? Yes, Millie. To whom he requested? Appu requested to Tina. So, Tina requested to whom, children? Millie. So, these children are helping to Appu to pull the carrot. Last and final, what happened, children? He got the carrot. So, they pulled the huge carrot. They carried the carrot to home and given to whom? Grandma. So, who prepared a tasty carrot halwa? Grandma. Grandma makes carrot halwa. Who makes carrot halwa? Grandma. So, to whom they given, children? To their grandma. Understood, children? That is the story of this lesson. Once again, who loves carrot halwa? Appu loves carrot halwa. So, what he done, children? See, he got some carrot seeds. He planted the seeds. The baby carrots, it came, children. The baby carrots grows like a, which type of carrot? It grows into a huge carrot. To huge carrot. So, he cannot pull the carrot. So, he requested to his friends. Who are these all, children? Friends to Appu. But who are these all? Children. Understood? So, Appu's friends, these all are children only, no, children and monkey. Who pulled the carrot? Children. Who makes carrot halwa? Grandma. That is the importance of the story, children. So, helping and with your helping and sharing, they will feeling so happy. Understood, children? Very good. Shall we start the bit part? Appu loves dash, children. Appu loves carrot halwa. Carrot halwa. Appu loves dash halwa. Carrots halwa. Carrot halwa. So, what he gets, children? He gets some carrot seeds. What he done, children? He plants the seeds. He waters them every day. One seed grows into a huge carrot. The baby carrot grows into a dash carrot, huge carrot. Who carry the carrot to grandma? The children. The children carry the carrot to grandma. Understood, children? Like that, you should practice properly. Understood, Nana? Coming to this F. Raman, write a name for each set of words. Choose from the box. It means apple, banana, guava, orange. These all are belongs to which group? Fruits group. Group of fruits. Chair, cupboard, bed and table. These all are furniture. Group of furniture. Why? Because chair also furniture, cupboard also. So, group of furniture we can call as a furniture. Group of cloth. Group of cloth we can call as a cloths. So, these all are belongs to which group, children? Cloths group. Red, blue, yellow, green. These all are group of colors. Animals. Horse, crow, elephant and snake. These all are group of animals. You should write the name of the group. For in case if we are asking banana is related to which group? Fruits group. You should remember and remind in your mind, children. Very easy to understand. Why? Because Okay, apple. Apple is a fruit. Banana is a fruit. Chair is a furniture. Shirt is a cloth. Like that you should remember and remind in your mind. Understood, Nana? Very good. Already we explained to you, no children, yesterday words. It means past verbs. Already we done. Understood? Okay. Eat, ate, draw, drew, fly, flew, fly away, flew away. We should not say fly away. Away means past tense over. We should say flew, blow, blew, come, came, come. Past word, yesterday word, came, sing, sang. Understood, Nana? So, we should observe yesterday word means over, past tense. Draw, drew, fly, flew. The bird flew away. We should not say fly away. Jal is ing form. We should once again, this is very, very important, children. Wherever we are having am, is, are. Understood properly? Observe properly, Nana. Am, wherever we are having am, is, are. Am, is, are. There we should add ing form for the verb. Always wherever we are having as, is, sleeping. At a time we should add ing form. The bird flew away. We should not say fly away. Flew, past tense, over. Mother is there means ing form we should add. Grandma, singular, no children, makes. If you are having is form, we should add ing form. Here not there, no children. Grandma makes. Singular, makes direct. The bird flew away. Jolly sleeping. Like that you should. The children are dash in the pool. Are is there means we should add ing form. Once again, children, wherever we are having is, am, is, are, we should add ing form for the verb. Jolly sleeping. The bird flew away. Mother is knitting. Grandma makes tasty carrot halwa. Grandma, so singular, makes. Children plural are. Are is there means at a time we should add ing form. This is very, very important for your exams. Understood, Nana? See, observe carefully. Coming to this activity book part, helping and sharing. Once there lived a beautiful fish. What is the name of the colorful fish, children? Rainbow fish. One colorful fish is there. It's having colorful scales. So, what is there? What is her name, children? Rainbow fish. What is the name of the colorful name fish? Rainbow. What is the name of this? So, the rainbow fish doesn't want to give his scales to somebody. So, nobody is ready to playing with him. So, what he done, children? The rainbow fish went to whom, children? Who? Yes, only the octopus. Only octopus. So, only octopus give the answer to that. Give some scales to all remaining all the fish. So what happened, children? After sharing his scales, each and everyone remaining fish all felt so happy and playing with the fish, rainbow fish. That is that, children. So, observe carefully, true or false. What is the name of the fish, children? Colorful fish, rainbow. Like that you should practice properly. Understood, Nana? Coming to this D Roman, you have to add LL, BR. You have to fill in the blanks using of LL, BR, RR. Like that. Understood, children? So, coming to the grammar part, already we explained to you, children, wherever we are having am, is, are, there we have to add verb plus ing form.
Sleep, sleeping. Play, playing. Like that you should add, children. Observe this F from and fill in the blanks with the correct action words. Whatever we are doing action words, no children, that one we can call as a verb. Ruhi is dash siege sandwiches. Ruhi is eating. What it's doing, children? Eating. Why? Because is there means we have to add ing form. Birds. Here, yes is there, no children. Plural means make. We should not only, wherever we are having is form only, we should add ing form. So, like that, children are dash. Are is there means playing. Next from we are not having only one means teachers. We have to add yes. Understood, children? Very good. Like this type of questions, you should properly practice properly. Upon dash everywhere for his lost bag. Looked. Why? Because over, no children. Last past tense. So looked. Jaya is there means link form. Jaya is sleeping in her room. Jaya is sleeping. Why? Because he. Once again, children, this is very, very important for you. Am, is, are. Is there means we should add ing form for the verb. Understood, children? Coming to the verb part, children, grammar more. See, observe properly. Some words tell us a person or an animal or a thing. Such words are called verbs. At the same time, we can call these all action words. What we can call, children? Action words or doing works. Whatever we are explaining, action words or doing work, we can call as a verb. What we can call, children? Verb. What is the meaning of verb, children? Some words tells us about the action words or doing words about the person, animal or a thing. We can call as a verb. This is important, children. Action or doing. Whatever we are doing work, that is the important for you. Understood, children? See, observe properly. Oh, caterpillar can crawl. Here jumble letters are given. You have to rearrange properly. Fish can swim. Here jumble letters are given for you. You have to write. A fish can swim. Fish can swim. Like that you should practice properly, children. These type of questions you should practice properly, children. Understood, Nana? Very good. As a good student, you should practicing properly. I hope you all are practicing properly. Okay, children? You should practice properly from textbook part, activity book part and grammar more. Main part, we should practice properly from the textbook part where we are getting, where we are underlining. These all are, you should practice properly. Understood, children? I hope you all are practicing properly. Have a nice day to all of you. Bye, children.